Home security is a top priority for Warren families, and one of the most effective ways to strengthen your home's protection is by upgrading your entry door. While many homeowners invest in alarms and cameras, the front door remains a critical line of defense. Older doors with worn frames, weak locks, or outdated materials can make your home more vulnerable, while new entry doors offer advanced security features designed to keep families safe. Here's how replacing your entry door can make a meaningful difference in safety, confidence, and peace of mind for Warren households. Stronger materials that resist forced entry. Many older doors, especially wood doors that have aged or hollow core builder-grade doors, become weaker over time. They may crack, warp, or deteriorate, making them easier to force open. Today's replacement doors are built using much stronger materials engineered specifically for security. Popular high-security materials include steel doors, known for exceptional durability and impact resistance, fiberglass doors, offering strength without warping or weather damage, solid wood or engineered wood cores for increased density. These materials make your home more resistant to kicks, prying, or attempts to break the door frame. For Warren families seeking long-term protection, upgrading to a modern, reinforced entry door is a major security improvement. Advanced locking systems offer superior protection. A strong door is only as secure as its locking system. Older locks can become loose, rusted, or misaligned, making them easier for intruders to manipulate or force open. Replacement entry doors come equipped with modern, multi-point locking systems that dramatically increase security. These systems lock the door at multiple points rather than just one, provide stronger resistance against forced entry, engage more securely with reinforced frames, make it harder for intruders to pry or lift the door. For families in Warren, these upgraded locks deliver peace of mind and reliable daily protection. Reinforced frames prevent weak points around the door. While homeowners often focus on the door itself, the frame is just as important for home security. A weak or aging frame can split under pressure, even if the door is strong. New entry doors come with reinforced frames designed to withstand impact and secure the locking mechanism firmly. Professional installation ensures the frame is securely anchored to the home structure. Strike plates are reinforced with long, heavy-duty screws. Hinges are properly aligned and tamper-resistant. The door fits tightly without gaps or loose edges. This reinforcement closes one of the most common security vulnerabilities found in older homes. Better design reduces visibility and access for intruders. Modern entry doors are designed with security in mind, offering options that keep your family safe without sacrificing style. Security-enhancing design features include smaller or higher-placed glass panels to prevent intruder visibility, laminated or tempered security glass that is difficult to break, built-in insulation and tight seals that reduce sound leakage, minimal exterior hardware exposure. For Warren families living in busy neighborhoods or along main streets, these design improvements help deter unwanted access and protect privacy. Smart door technology adds another layer of protection. Many new entry doors are compatible with smart home features, offering convenient and enhanced security options. These may include smart locks with keypad or fingerprint access, remote locking and unlocking via smartphone, built-in video doorbells for continuous monitoring, motion sensing, porch lighting integrations. These upgrades allow Warren homeowners to monitor and secure their entryway from anywhere, adding convenience and peace of mind. Professional installation ensures maximum security performance. Even the strongest door won't perform well if installed incorrectly. Gaps, misalignment, and loose hardware can compromise security. Professional installers ensure the door is fitted tightly to the frame, locks engage fully and smoothly, hinges and screws are reinforced, no gaps remain that could weaken the structure. This ensures your door's full security features function as intended. A stronger, safer home begins with a new entry door. For Warren families, upgrading your entry door is a smart investment that delivers enhanced security, improved durability, and greater peace of mind. With stronger materials, advanced locks, reinforced frames, and optional smart technology, modern replacement doors provide reliable protection that older doors simply can't match. If you're ready to secure your home and protect what matters most, a new entry door is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make.